So, good morning, students. We are going to start with the reflection transformation today. What is reflection? A reflection is a transformation that produces a mirror image of the graphic element about any axis. The reflection of any graphic element is the reflection of all the points of that. Just like mirror image of one object, a reflection is also very much similar to that. The right side will become left side and left side will become right side on the mirror image and reflection of it. We will be discussing when the reflection is about x-axis. We will be discussing when reflection is about y-axis. We will be discussing when reflection is about origin and reflection about the line x is equal to y and reflection about y is equal to minus x. So these are the five reflections that are there. There can that a particular object, a particular line can be mirror image with respect to axis, that is x-axis, mirror image about y-axis, mirror image of origin around origin, and about x is equal to y, and similarly x is equal to y equal to minus x. So these are the five transformations, sub transformation of reflection. Now we will discuss one by one reflection about x-axis. Reflection about x-axis, that is the diagram on your screen also. This diagram, just to understand, I have taken this diagram. We have this y-axis, this is x-axis. Line is there, P1, P2, right? Original line having that is having point P1 is having coordinates x1, y1, and point P2 is having coordinates x2, y2. This is the original position, and there is a transformation, reflection transformation that is to be applied about x-axis. This is the x-axis, and if it is to be reflected along x-axis, then it will look like this. It is the mirror image of this, and after reflection, it will reach here. Now that can be represented or that can be solved with the help of some matrix, and that matrix is 1 0 0 minus 1, right? That can be read like this also. This is x is positive in this case and x is positive in this case also. Similarly, x is positive in this case also and x is positive in P2 also. But when you talk about y is positive in this case. Above 0 it is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Below 0 it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and negative, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 below 0, right? Here x1 is again positive and x1 dash is also positive, but y1 here is positive, but when it is reflected about x-axis, now it comes below this xy line or this x-axis. Now that means this y is positive and this is negative, right? And this x2 is positive and x2 dash is also positive. That means there is no change in the value of x and x1 dash. Similarly, x2 and x2 dash, there is no change in the value. But y1 was initially positive, but after reflection, y1 becomes negative. Similarly, y2, initially it was positive, but after reflection, it is again going negative. Similarly, 1 0 0 minus 1. Now, minus 1 is introduced to show that y value is going to be in negative, right? So when you will multiply this, 1 is 1 with x, 1 into x, 0 into minus 1 into y. This 0 minus 1 into y will lead to minus y, x minus y. The result will be x and minus y. So this is the transformation matrix that is to be used when it is reflected about x axis, right? Now this is matrix mx is written and point P is written. Now 1 0 0 minus 1, that is to be kept in your mind while solving a problem when it is given that a particular line or point is being reflected about x axis. Now similarly, as we have done a reflection about x axis, we are to do reflection about y axis. So initially I have told you that there are five reflections that are there. So we have to cover all these five reflections. So this is the y-axis, 0, y. Initially, just suppose the line is this, k2 and t1, x2, x1, y2, y1. I hope you are you are able to see what is displayed on the screen. Now you can see the on right side of x y line, it is positive and x is positive, and on the right hand left hand side of this y axis, it is negative. X is negative, right? But y is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Both y, y2 and y2 dash are same. If it is, its value is 6, it is 6 over here also, it is 6 over here also. Similarly, if it is 1 over here, it is again 1 over here. But the only difference is, and x was initially 5, right? And after reflection, it has become minus 5. It has moved to the left hand side of 0. Similarly, here x2 is positive, and after reflection, it has to reflected to x2 dash, which is negative. And this side it is 1 say, but on the other side it is minus 1. So in this case, x is going to change and y is going to be stable, right? Whatever the y will be, it will be after same after reflection. Particularly in case of it is when it is reflected about y axis. Now this is the y axis, and it is reflected to, and it is the mirror image of y. Now this P1 P2 line, it is reflected about this point, and here you can see that y2 and y1 remain same, y2 dash and y2 are same, and y1 uh, x y1 and y1 dash again they are same, but x1 from positive it had become negative, x2 from here positive it has become negative. So for this matrix is to be used -1 0 0 1. So in these two matrices you can see that here the one that is there unit matrix, here we have taken at bottom we have taken minus, and in this case we have taken minus over the upper side, right? On the first one, right? So when you multiply this -1 with x, it will become minus x, and y with 1, it becomes 1. So value will be -1 and 1. So reflected about, when it is reflected about y axis, it will result into minus of x. X is equal to minus of x and y equal to y. First was reflection about x axis, reflection about y axis, then reflection about origin. Now this is the origin. O is the origin. If the initial point P is just like this, we have taking only point P. When it is to be reflected about origin, it will reach to the other side. Similarly, it can be in this point also. A point can be here also, right? And after reflection, it will reach here. It depends on the conditions on which the you point have been taken. Where the point has been taken. Original position is where the original position is. But the matrix will remain same. Matrix that will going to be remain same. Now you can see that if both x and y are positive in the first quadrant, right? If you reflect this point P, it is 1 comma 2, and it is going to be reflected about origin, and it will reach to the third quadrant. Both x and y are negative in third quadrant, right? So if it is 3 comma 2, then it will be -3 comma -2. Similarly, if the point is in second quadrant, go somewhere here. I hope you are able to see the cursor, right? Here x is negative, -3 comma 2, suppose -3 comma 2. Now if you introduce this minus sign to both sides, minus or -3, now this will reach to 3 here. Now the x will become positive, and uh, 2 is positive. Now if minus sign is introduced, this becomes -2 at the bottom. Now y will become -2. Minus sign in both the x and y. -1 into x minus x, and y into -1 into y -1 -1. If already it is having minus, so -1 -2 +2. So this is how a matrix is used for reflection about origin. Now next reflection is x is equal to y. Though the image that is there is, it is not seen that it is perpendicular to this x and y are perpendicular to each other, right? Because that image is being taken from some book, so that's why it has deflected to some extent. Now this is a line where x is equal to y. Suppose x is equal to 1 and y equal to 1. X is equal to 2, y equal to 2. X equal to 3, y equal to 3. This is the line where x is equal to y. That what is the meaning of x equal to y? Taking x value of x equal to 1, then y equal the value y equal to 1. You take y x equal to y value 2, then y value will become 2. And if you take y equal y if you take value of x equal to 3, and similarly y will be 3. Taking the value same, you will get a line somewhere here. This is the dotted line that represents x is equal to y. Now reflection about x is equal to y. You have some point P2, P1, P2, some line P1, P2 having coordinates x1 and y1, and P2 is having x2 and y2, and that is to be reflected to P1 dash, x1 dash, y1 dash, and P2 dash, x2 dash, y. Now, if it is to be reflected about x is equal to y, then that matrix should be this. Initially, that we are using unit matrix, and we are adding minus sign to either x on either y. Now, it is not a unit matrix. It is 0, 1, 1, 0. Whatever will be, it will become the opposite of that. Now, x will become y and y will become x. Now, what is the meaning of this? This matrix is this: x will become y and y will become x. If you multiply this, let me introduce how it will become. Now, suppose here, let us take one P1 point. Here the value is, suppose y value is 2 and x value is 1. After reflection, now y value will become 1 and x value will become 2 or 3, whatever I have taken. The reverse of that will happen. Whatever the value of x will be, that after reflection, the value of y will become x and x value will become y, opposite of each other. Right? If you reflect this according to this xy. Now 0 into x and 1 into y. Now this initial value will become y, and 1 into x and 0 into 1. Now the bottom will become x and the top will surface will become y. Opposite values will return to x, y value. Now we are going to discuss reflection. About x is equal to y. Now let us take this coordinate system. This is the origin and this is y. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 in y. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 in x direction. So these are x and y. Now, when you talk about this, x is equal to y. This is the line where x and y are equal. X and y are equal, and all these points are equal. Now let us take this point line where x and y both are equal. Now let us say we are having a point somewhere here, a line somewhere here. A point P1, it is 3, 1, 3, 1 in x direction and 3 in y direction. I hope it is visible to you. If it is not visible, then do let me know that.
सर ब्लर है थोड़ा.
ब्लर है सर.
Just wait, there is power cut. That's why some lights are off.